Hey, how you doing? Welcome back to my European city adventure. We have now reached the letter R. If you have missed any of the previous episodes, here is a link to the playlist, and there is a link in the description as well. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you get updates when I release new videos in this European A to Z adventure. So today we're in a city known for its medieval charm, stunning Art Nouveau buildings, and a food scene full of surprises. Today, I'm in Riga, Latvia. So we're going to take a walk around Riga, taking the sights and the sounds. I'm going to be performing my 3 tasks, which will be to visit a local landmark, eat some local Latvian food, and finally to drink a local beer. So come with me as we explore Riga and see what this beautiful city has to offer. So for my visit to a local landmark, I've come here to the House of the Blackheads. Originally built in the 14th century, it was destroyed during World War II, but later rebuilt. It's one of the most beautiful buildings here in Riga. Okay, so it's now time for another task. I'm going to go into this restaurant here, Pagrads, I think it's pronounced. They serve traditional Latvian food. So I'm going to head inside, see what's on the menu and try something new. So come inside with me and we'll check this place out. Okay, so I've just finished up in Pagrads. I had some traditional Latvian food. They were a traditional grey peas dish. What they remind me of, for people in the UK will know this, are black peas that you get on bonfire night. So these, what they call grey peas, but they were more of a black colour than grey. Served with fried bacon in a onion creamy sauce, all inside of a rye bread loaf. I wasn't overly keen on the bread, but the actual food itself was really nice, really tasty, very filling as well. Also had a local Latvian baghouse beer. So it's now time to do a little bit more exploring of this beautiful city, and then finally do the final task of drinking a local beer. Well, another one after having that beer with that meal, but we're going to find another pub or another bar to have a local traditional Latvian beer. So let's head off back into the city and do some more sightseeing. Okay, so it's now time to go and have a drink to wash down that dinner. There's a bar here called Clayton McNamara's Drinking Emporium, and it's very intriguing. Looking, as I've walked past it a few times to and from the hotel, they've got all like Star Wars characters and various superhero stuff. So I thought, yeah, let's get inside and check it out and just see what it's like inside. So let's go in and see what beers they've got on offer, and we'll have a drink to wash down that food. Well, that's my time in Riga come to an end. I hope you've enjoyed exploring this beautiful city with me. It's time to move on to the next letter, which is the letter S. Leave a comment down below with your guesses as to where I'm going to be visiting. I think you're going to be surprised actually at the place that I do visit for the letter S. Don't forget to leave a like on this video, and do please subscribe to the channel so you get updates when I release new videos. And I will see you in the city beginning with letter S.